Hi friends, I have come to see this place. I have started developing here as well with all the rocks, and amidst of them we have got the trees. See this beautiful place. Because for Meri Mati I am planning to have these rocks, as I've had a talk with Nagar Nigam regarding this Meri Mati, and we'll take these rocks in a truck and then we can set it down on the portal sides. It would look very good, and we'll put the trees. उसके आजू बाजू में हमने trees लगाना है, and all the cacti. As it is, the cactus we are doing with the living fence, but also I want to have these rocks, these marble rocks, but these are not so white right now because of the pollution. They've got a black hue over them. And see friends, सब बोलते हैं मिट्टी पथरीली है, मिट्टी ऐसी है, मिट्टी वैसी है. I have come across so many trees which are going straight away on rocks. See this beautiful tree. The bark is all white. Rather, it is looking marble tree. My princess was saying this is a marble tree because the rocks are fading away because of the pollution. But ये tree कितना white है, as if this is made up of marble, as you can see. And this has got the flowers like just the mango flowers and no leaves. Not a single leaf you can see over here. So this is the marble tree, and look at this. It is holding the rocks by its extended arm, and it is growing fully over the rocks. See this, so beautiful. ये प्रकृति की बहुत खूबसूरत नियामतें हैं जो कि हमें देखना चाहिए हमेशा. अभी इस पे से मिट्ठू की भी आवाज आ रही है मुझे. ये मिट्ठू उड़ा. Can you see the green parrot? So contrast, white tree, green flowers, उसके ऊपर अभी green मिट्ठू बैठा हुआ था. That is so beautiful. See, this is so beautiful. I can spend hours moving around this. देखिए ये पेड़ भी पूरा पत्थरों पे उगा हुआ है. तो इसको किसने उगाया? इसको किसी ने नहीं उगाया, सिर्फ मदर नेचर ने उगाया है. And this is fully, the seed must have been there. And it is fully growing, and on its feet there is a cactus as well. तो ये इसको shelter दे रहा है पूरा. और इसी पेड़ में ये दूसरा पेड़ भी आ गया है इसके hollows में. As you can see, the hollows are full of soil, and that has got a wild falsa over here. Can you see this? तो ये अपना इनका होता है. Reforestation में ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती. This is सीताफल or the custard apple. This is also growing in its hollow. You can see, this is the hollow of this tree. और ये मिट्टी है इसमें. That is again by nature. The dust must accumulate होता है in air. Now when it rains, that dust gets accumulated in the hollow of these trees, and the custard apple seed must have come through because by monkeys must have eaten them, or the squirrels must have eaten them. और उसका जब बीज यहाँ पहुँचा तो see this. This is the tree actually. सीताफल का पेड़ ये है. और इसमें इसने अपनी जगह बना ली. Isn't it beautiful? हम इंसानों को भी सीखना चाहिए कि कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल के रहना पड़ता है या रहना चाहिए, सिर्फ मेरा तेरा तेरा मेरा किए बिना. Look at the magnitude of this rock. अगर मेरी माटी में ऐसा rock होता तो मजा आ जाता. I would have used it for a very different purposes altogether. So many trees I can show you people here. All of them are going on the rocks. See how it is growing. And they are so very healthy. क्योंकि यहाँ humus भी earth ने अपना ही दिया हुआ है. उसको बाहर से humus भी नहीं चाहिए. See, the cactus is looking so beautiful amidst of this tree. तो ये सारे पेड़ जो हैं पत्थरों के बीच में हैं. ये देखिए यहाँ कितना खूबसूरत से एक केव दिख रहा है अपन को. So the point is कि लोग बहुत रोना रोते हैं, हाय ये नहीं है, हाय मिट्टी नहीं है, हाय पानी नहीं है, हाँ मिट्टी पथरीली है, मिट्टी है तो मिट्टी पथरीली है, पथरीली नहीं है तो कीचड़ वाली है, ये है वो। अरे भाई स्यापा पाना बंद करो, एंजॉय लाइफ एज इट कम्स. Don't think of what will happen tomorrow. Think of today. Think of just now. That's what I do. We live in the present tense because we don't know what's going to happen next. So it is much better to live in the present tense rather than thinking of कि कल क्या होगा, परसों क्या होगा. See this beauty. All of them are growing in the or inside the rocks. See this huge cacti. So all of them are growing inside the rocks. So there is nothing like patrili mitti or this mitti or that mitti. It is but mitti. Now if you see, I'll show you a banyan tree over here. Now this is so beautiful. See, this is again growing in the rock straight away. और इसने अपनी जड़ें भी दे रखी हैं, पकड़ा हुआ है इसने, beautifully पकड़ा हुआ है. So this is symbiosis. This tree, again my princess has named it as a giraffe tree because ये देखिए आप, ये दोनों सामने के पाँव दिख रहे हैं, पीछे के दोनों पाँव दिख रहे हैं इसके जिराफ की तरह, और आप ये देखिए ये पूरा इसका नेक दिख रहा है. So this is called the giraffe tree, as princess has said this. So when we are walking in the forest, we keep on naming our trees because of its structure and the shape. And look at this rock. बिल्कुल एंटवाइन किया हुआ है इसने रॉक को अपने अंदर. And see, it is also giving the adventitious roots. That is the telltale sign of the banyan tree. Now when this will touch the ground, that will be an independent tree. So this will be the mother tree and there will be the daughter trees. And after a few many years, you will see all this diameter is covered with the roots and the branches of this tree. So the giraffe tree, may you live long. बस इंसान ना आए काटने के लिए इसको. And all these rocks will be covered with the roots of this tree. So isn't it beautiful? तो इसको कोई भी करने ही नहीं आता है, ये अपने आप हो रहा है. See this beauty. So this is the magic of nature. Such a beautiful thing this is, to see all the plants and all the trees live in symbiosis, and the seeds are coming, the flowers are coming, there is plenty ample amount. बुलबुल बैठी है एक प्याली सी छोटी सी मोटी बन के बैठी है बुलबुल. I think you can see that. So the flowers coming on its time, and then the pollination is happening, and then the fruits and the seeds, and ultimately a whole lot of reforestation. I think that's what my definition of permaculture is. But for me, permaculture is not all about economic point of view or financial point of view, but it is, I think, an holistic approach towards saving this earth and making this earth a better place to thrive upon, to live in. See this. Because me and my princess always say, if dinosaurs were so big and they are not here right now, so we are just a speck of dust in front of the dinosaurs, as they were so huge and mammoth, but they are no more right now. So same catastrophic events may take place and we will not be there. So at least we do your part to save Mother Nature. See, this is again a banyan tree. This is again solely and wholly and fully growing on the rock. Look at this beautiful, handsome rock. See the beauty of this. All of them are growing on the rocks, as you can see. And they are growing and they are full of life. And they are healthy and sturdy and hardy as well. Because no one is feeding them with compost or manure or this or that, NPK fertilizers, nothing like that. And I think they are much more in peace over here because human beings यहाँ बहुत कम आते हैं. अगर आते भी हैं तो ठहरते नहीं हैं ज़्यादा देर. So that's the beauty of this nature walk. No mask, no nothing. See this. This is such a beautiful neem tree and we have got this red leaves. और मैं ये red leaves हमेशा munch करती हूँ थोड़ा सा लेके because this is a beautiful herbal medicine for us. जो कि हम अंग्रेज बन के एलोपैथिक दवाई खाते और नीम मुंह में डालते ही साथ बोलते हम बहुत कड़वी है. But as it is, the neem is a beautiful herbicide and you should always prefer eating this kind of red leaves which are so beneficial for us. So we should always love nature because that is going to be the ultimate. Not us, but that is the ultimate. People are coming over here and they are strewing the thermocol plates and styrofoam plates and plastic plates and whatnot. अरे भाई पत्तल लाओ ना biodegradable. और हद तो ये है कि थर्मोकॉल में खा के फिर आग भी लगाते हैं और सामने बैठ के फिर हाथ सेकते हैं. ये तो और भी हद है. भाई आपने जला दिया चलो ठीक है, बेवकूफ़ी नंबर 1. बेवकूफ़ी नंबर 2 इज दैट कि वो हाथ भी सेकने लग जाते हैं उसी पे. तो आई थिंक इतनी भी ठंड नहीं पड़ रही है और ठंड अगर पड़ भी रही है तो देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ कीपिंग यू वार्म रेदर देन टेकिंग अ होल लॉट ऑफ पोल्यूशन एंड इनहेलिंग योरसेल्फ. यू आर इनहेलिंग योर सेल्फ मेड पॉइजन. लोग इतना इंटरनेट, इतना टेक्नो savvy, मोदी एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, दे आर सेइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस, बट द पॉइंट इज टायर ट्यूब जला के हाथ सेक रहे. भाई मैं पर्पसली गाड़ी रोक के जाती हूँ बोलने कि भाई टायर ट्यूब से क्यों जहर खा रहे हो बैठ के. कोविड नहीं है तो शांति से बल्ले बल्ले करो, बट टायर ट्यूब जला के खुद को बीमार मत करो. I don't know, and I don't get this thing also कि from where do they get so much of patience to just sit around और हाथ सेकते रहते हैं घंटों और बेमतलब की बेकार की बातें. भाई I think life is too short to concentrate on others' lives rather than concentrate on your life. That would be a much better investment for yourself. See this, the whole land is strewn with, and I have just now come to this MP tourism resorts to have a talk about some Bhimbetka painting which I want to have it in my hut. And मैं वो आपको दिखाऊंगी भी. मेरी प्रिंसेस भी भीमबेटका पेंटिंग करती है, बट उसमें इतना पेशेंस नहीं है कि वो पूरे वॉल्स को करे. एंड मोस्ट भीमबेटका पेंटिंग के साथ शांति निकेतन की पेंटिंग भी हम करवाएंगे उसमें, द ट्राइबल पेंटिंग. So friends, enjoy life and make your heart and earth little greener. Stop thinking this is mine, this is mine, this is ours. We have to say this is ours. बड़े बड़े राजा महाराजे मेरा तेरा करके नहीं रहे तो हम कौन रहेंगे. So I think ये देखिए, ये wild falsa है and this is growing fully on the rocks as I said. ये देखिए कितनी अच्छी कैविटी है. मेरा बस चलता तो मैं इसको टांग के रखती कहीं पे एज अ वॉल हैंगर. सी ये पत्थरों में ऐसे कार्विंग्स है एज इफ somebody has put fingers. और जैसे हम आटा देखते हैं ना, मम्मी मेरी देखती थी आटा, पूड़ी का आटा टाइट है कि नहीं उंगली डाल डाल के, या से मठरी का आटा टाइट है कि नहीं उंगली घुसा के देखते थे ना मम्मा कि ये टाइट है कि इसमें और तेल या मैदा या मोइन जाएगा. वैसे ही देखिए भगवान या मदर नेचर ने देखा है कि ये रॉक सही जा रहा है कि नहीं. कैन यू सी दिस. भेड़ाघाट में ऐसे आपको बहुत से इम्प्रिंट्स मिलेंगे which you can relate to your daily life. देखिए, can you see this is as if somebody has poked their fingers inside the rock to see if that's okay. Can you see these? ये देखिए सारे पत्थरों में you can have these inundations. See this. My princess has got a different interpretation of this, and she says this is a choco lava cake with lots of petha in it, because the black color is like choco lava and these white things which are protruding outside is like petha for her. See, हर किसी में आपको दिखेंगे. As if उंगली डाल डाल के देखा है प्रकृति ने कि सब सही है कि नहीं. Geology has got different reasons for this, of course. This is the mythological or maybe the philosophical part of it. As you can see, all these rocks have got small holes in it, as if ungli kisi ne डाल के देखा है. So friends, love nature more than yourself and stay safe. Love nature, love the greenery of it, love the chlorophyll in the plants and the trees, and we love you all. See ya, take care, bye bye.